Hi, Kimberly here from Make Me a PT. I thought I'd come on to do a quick video just to let you know why we are different, okay? So I actually had someone say to me, "Why are you different?" And I think this, with us, your success is our success, and we want your qualification to be as easy as possible and to be as enjoy it as well, okay? Rather than feel overwhelmed. I think sometimes when I spoke to other people who have done qualifications elsewhere, they feel like they just get bombarded with a lot of information, especially if they're doing online. Um, and face to face might be a little bit easier, but if you do online, you just get given a load of information and just kind of almost left with it. I'm dyslexic. I do not work like that, okay? So I've created this and I absolutely love it because I need clear directions. So I feel if I need clear directions, then this is what I need to create. I need to create for you what I need, okay? So this is a drive. Every single person that joins Make Me a PT will have their own individual drive. So for example, this is a template level 2 gym instructor's qualification checklist. I'll run through it all with you. So every one of our students, future Fit Pros, gets one of these. So for example, you can see here we've got the checklist. So they've got the LAP. I tell them straight away it's online. And we have a copy of the LAP here. We have the LAP Success Guide, so something that we have created that gives them all the tools for success, okay? So if we click on there, I'm just going to copy it here and pop it here so you can see. Again, it tells you exactly everything that you need to know. See here, it gives you all the help and the support. It tells you what your SWOT analysis is. It basically gives you everything you need. All you need to do is read it, learn it, and there are videos as well. We make it as easy as possible because I learn from watching people. So straight away you can see we've got your LEP there, you have the success guide, and you also have a video. So everything you need to successfully complete your LAP, which is your learner portfolio, okay? And then, for example, for everything you need for your anatomy, again, we have um, muscle movement, joint movements, bones, energy systems, like quizzes. And then we also have videos as well. So everything you need to succeed. And I truly believe that you need lots of different things. So you'll need cheat sheets, checklists, you'll need videos, everything to make it as clear as possible, which is fantastic. So straight away, the units are here. Where are they exactly? So written worksheet example, it'll tell you here that it's in your LAP. So it'll tell you exactly where it is. You've got your client consultation, which is an observation. This is everything that you will need. What's great, you can write in the start date, end date, so we have a clear pathway. Then progress, you can say completed. Once you've completed, you can tick it off all the way down, which is fantastic because then you know exactly what is left. And then at the bottom, it'll tell you exactly how much percentage you have left as well, which I think is fantastic because then you know, once you're ticking these off, you know exactly what percentage left you have of the course. Recommendations, I kind of feel personally that sometimes in the LAP, it's not set out in the order that I think would make it as easy as possible for you. So for example, the anatomy, I think you should always start with the anatomy because the anatomy is your exams. So start with your anatomy, build as much information up as possible, create your poster because you will need your poster ready for like your consultation observation. So again, it's create your poster. So it's set in order that I think that you should complete this in, which is brilliant. Again, everything's got ticks, so you know exactly once it's done. And then straight after that, we have your marking checklist. So this is something that we work with together, okay? So what this means is, for example, I can see here anatomy mock, anatomy exam. So once you've passed it, we can say perfect, it's been passed and assessed. For example, here your level 2. So for example, we're just going to just go over here. So we've got 3 tasks here. We can then say, right, you don't need to upload it to the drive because it's in your LAP. So here you've been referred, it's not quite right. Then you know you need to go back, but your comments will be here. So anything you need being referred on is there. So it's everything is plain sailing. If you've passed it, then that's brilliant. So you know it's passed. But then I know that I have passed it, but I need to give you, it's been passed and assessed. I need to give you feedback in your LAP. Once that's done, I can then write any comments like finished. I can then sign it off with my initials, say everything's completed. So it's great. So this here is a clear pathway of how you're going to complete your assessments. Again, we've got it for your level 2, level 3, which is exactly the same. Regardless of what qualification you do with us, you will have your drive, which will give you the best, easiest success step by step as well. So just a quick overview. You've got your checklist of everything that you need to do to successfully pass your qualification. You have your recommendation that we recommend the order that you should go in. And then you have your marking checklist that we are both aligned, that we know exactly what needs to be marked, what's been referred, what's been passed, assessed, and feedback given. So it's a clear pathway of making sure that you succeed without being kind of left to your own devices. Because I feel like once you get given loads of information, it's so easy to think, oh gosh, I'll look at that another day, or you'll start kind of looking through things and it's just a little bit complicated. So with us, we make it as easy as possible because we want you to enjoy your qualification with us and we want you to succeed because your success is our success. So this is why I truly believe that we are the right person for you because we go above and beyond to make sure that you will pass your qualification with us. If you've got any questions at all, please give us a shout. I'll be at the other end of the call, other end of the phone to give you as much support that you need as well. Like I say, we do have here just your level 2 and 3, but you will have this for every single qualification with us at Make Me a PT. So hopefully I can help you pass one of your courses. Speak soon. Bye.